Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool right here, and here's what this is the Echo Show 15 stand. You can see this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, inside the product is all well protected, but you guys do take it out. First, the inside they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So they show you guys how you can use it in different ways. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that not only can you guys use it for your Echo Show 15, you can feel free to use it for any kind of tablet as well if you guys need to. But right here we do have the product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So here is the top part and here is the bottom. The bottom they do have the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. Same thing for the top part right here. They also have the non-slip material on here as well. That also give you guys that protection from any scratches when you guys do put your device on here. And then for this part right here, I believe it's like metal or something. But the top part right here, they do have a little arm for you guys to raise it up. So that way it can help you guys support the tablet or your device when you guys do use it. And also have that same material on here in terms of the non-scratch and non-slip material. But for this part right here, you can feel free to adjust it however you guys want. And you do have the option to raise this part right here up and down, which is really cool. They mentioned if you guys go too far back, then the actual part will fall down. So you guys want to keep it around here, somewhere in this position. And you guys adjust this part right here based on your own preference. And the way how to design this part right here is actually pretty cool. It does have a rotation option. So that will turn it 360 if you guys do need to, which is very nice. And that is pretty much everything that's on the product. One right now is to set it up and show you guys how it does work. So just to be safe, let me put this down on the table and show you guys what it looks like if you guys would use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product all set up. Like I showed you guys earlier, you do have the option to fold it down when you guys are done using it, which is pretty cool. But once you guys are ready to use it, you can pull it up and adjust this part right here based on your own preference. One thing to remember is that when you guys move this part right here, you don't want to pull it too far back. Otherwise, it won't give you guys that functionality to hold the actual Echo Show 15. So if you guys keep it somewhere around here, it should be fine. Let me put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So you do have the option to put like this, or you can go like this. Let's put it like this first. So once you guys put it like this is what the product looks like. And the way how they design this part right here, like I mentioned, it does give you guys a 360 rotatable option. So you feel free to turn it around if you guys do want to, which is really convenient. And if you can see how the back part right here, it does give you guys that foundation to hold the actual product together. So if you guys bend it too much, it won't give you guys that support in the back. So that's something to keep in mind when you guys do use it. But the material on here is actually very high quality and very sturdy to hold the actual product together. So that way it will not fall down. So it is like metal. So this is one way for us to use it. If you guys turn like this, you can see how the screen turns to this side as well, which is really cool. So whether if you guys want to use it on the other side or if you guys want to use it like this, that is totally up to you guys. But same thing for this one, you do have the option to rotate it 360 if you guys want to. But if you guys turn too much, just keep in mind for the cable right here, it will get tangled. So try not to turn it too much. But you do have that freedom to do so if you guys do want to. If you see. So that is pretty much how you guys do this product. If you see, very easy and very simple to use it. And very easy for you guys to put away as well. Alright. So now that's all quick test apart, it definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you see how when you guys do tilt it too much backwards, it does start falling down. So you do want to be careful and try not to bend it too much, otherwise it will fall down. But really cool how she give you guys the option to use it in two different ways. Either if you guys want to use it vertically or horizontally. And on top of all that, it's actually very cool how she give you guys the option to turn the actual product 360, so that way it's an angle wherever you guys want. But you do have to keep in mind, you do want to be careful with the cable in the back. You don't want to tangle it. But you can see when we do use the product, it definitely does work. So feel free to use it for your tablet, or if you guys want to use it for your Echo Show 15 like what I do have, you guys can definitely use it how you guys do want. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality stand to use for your tablet or for your Echo Show 15 like I mentioned, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.